Welcome to this guide on how to protect your privacy on Snapchat by preventing others from finding you using your phone number. If you're looking to enhance your privacy and keep your account more secure, you're in the right place. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open the Snapchat app on your smartphone. Once it's open, tap on your profile icon located in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page, where you can access various settings and options. Next, look for the gear-shaped icon in the top right corner of your profile page. Tap on it to open the settings menu. This is where you can manage all of your account preferences and privacy settings. Now, scroll down until you find the section labeled My Account. Under this section, tap on the option that says Mobile Number. This is where you can control how your phone number is used within Snapchat. Once you're in the mobile number settings, you'll see an option labeled Let Others Find Me Using My Mobile Number. By default, this option might be enabled. To stop others from finding you through your phone number, simply unmark or toggle off this setting. And that's it. By disabling this feature, you've successfully ensured that people cannot search for or connect with you on Snapchat using your phone number. This small but important step helps you maintain better control over your privacy on the platform. Thank you for following along with this guide. Stay safe and enjoy a more private experience on Snapchat.